on.
That's it, right? That's it, bro.
It's like great.
Hey, man. That's it right there. I ain't no jokes.
Nigga, I saw that.
What, bro?
What's good, YouTube? It's like, no. You feel me? Yeah, nigga, you know what I'm saying? But, we outside with my man Trill, like always, you know what I'm saying? My brother, you know what I'm saying? From another mother, you feel me? But, we just installed the tune on the motherfucking Vette, man. So, the tune's actually in the back seat. I didn't really film the before and after because I really didn't care, but she's out here looking pearly. Look at this motherfucker, boy. Trill got the wide body bit out here. I missed the charger. Might have to get another one. But we outside, man. We finna go ahead and get a POV of the new tune, folks. POV of the new tune, folks. We pushing now. Yeah, Diablo 2. We pushing now. We pushing now.
Diablo tune in there and just upgraded the horsepower.
Upgraded the horses in that drive. And this is a base model Vette, yo. So now I'm pushing stock Z06 power based off of the tune. So now we're finna go ahead. We're gonna take the top off. We really gonna shit on niggas real quick, you know what I'm saying? And take the top off real quick and get to it though. So let me take the top off for y'all. Let y'all kick it. Oh snap! If my hat looks goofy, I don't apologize. But I'm gonna set y'all up here so y'all can see. There we go. All right, back. Top off. You know what I'm talking about? Let's get it. Big shit coming. Man, what? Y'all don't even know what we got coming. It's bigger than big. Yeah. Yeah. Don't get them niggas no hits, man. Coming soon. Top gold, no, nigga. What? Stop playing with us.
Look at this shit. Can't even see shit. Boom. Now you see it.
Now you see it. Now you see me, now you don't. Top gone, no, you feel me? So here goes the tune, y'all. If y'all want to kick it, y'all want to tune y'all's cars, tune y'all's whips. There it go right there. It's going to the back where the trunk is at. And we finna go ahead and get a nice little POV. We manual shifting. Cold start. Not really a cold start because I've driven her today. But the top is gone, so now we can fit in here. My boy brake can slide in here real smooth like. Because the top is gone now. And he ain't gonna hit his head as he's getting in the whip. But let's see what this thing, let's see what this thing do. We pushing 5 something now, man. We pushing 5 something now, man. Yeah. 200 on the Dasharoonie. There ain't too many doing it like me. Not too many who can, I don't see too many YouTubers who have the, who drive manuals and do this shit at the same time, bro.
No,
not too many young black YouTubers either.
Yeah, definitely not.
Oh shit, hold on.
Hey, oh.
Hold on, brother.
Hey, oh.
Hold on, brother.
Hey.
This bitch is already, hold on.
It's already going.
This
for
bitch,
a lot of y'all,
my clutch feel a little different. I'm fucking with this. Hold on, twin.
And for a lot of y'all gonna sit here and think we over exaggerated, but you gotta remember, we've been in this motherfucker, so we can tell the difference.
Yeah, facts.
So for y'all to be like, oh, it may be this, that, or whatever, hey, but all that, this shit, hey,
this shit, man, what? Top is gone, man, but we finna go ahead and let's see. First pull.
Today to do this, why not?
Facts. Hopefully my hat don't fly off. Oh, wow. fly off. I can feel it. I'm not even really pushing for real. So my hat gonna fly off. Let me take this shit off.
You want me on it?
Huh?
You want me on it?
Yeah. Or my hat? Yeah.
I go camera, whatever.
Whatever it is, I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, hold the camera too so I can actually get a nice pull in this bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Got you.
Not a one-hand pull. You know what I'm talking about?
Yo, hey, look.
Yeah, we got two cameras.
Two cameras.
Two Sony, man. Hey, Sony, you need to sponsor both of us, man. Sponsor both of us. I just took my hat off. My hair looking a little wild, but man, what? We outside. I'm gonna give y'all a nice pull too, man. We're gonna put this in competitive driving mode too. That's my spaceship mode. That's what I call it, spaceship mode. Cause we in a space coupe, man. If y'all not liking and subscribing right now, let's get to it. Get to it.
Y'all missing out.
Oh,
y'all missing out.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
I know.
Oh, never mind, man.
That's what took me so long, bro. I'm telling you, that's what took so long. I had the ops over there.
Nice!
Yo! Hey, yeah.
500 horses!
Oh!
Hey, we got it! Yeah! Nigga, what's good?
Let's do it!
Yeah! Hey, this is lit, nigga. Hey, I'm telling you, every time the cameras come out, we got content.
We got content.
We got content, nigga. Hey, I'm gonna get my shit walk real quick, but it's all-wheel drive. we gonna put it to the numbers, man. Let's go.
Let's do it, hey. Y'all see it?
That motherfucker is off.
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Let's do it.
Yeah, stop playing with me, dude.
Hey,
you know what I'm saying,
man, stop playing.
Kitty cat, nigga.
Kitty.
You feel me?
The all-wheel drive right there. Y'all see the sign?
You know he was at the track. You see the two.
Yeah, I seen it. Yeah, he was at the track.
He was testing his shit, man.
For real.
That nigga was testing his shit, man.
Hey, man. That motherfucker sound good.
Dude.
That shit crazy.
That bitch is pretty. Let me get Ray Sean side, nigga.
It is, bro. Let's get it.
Ray Sean
Let's get it. That's it, bro. That's it, bro.
Is that great?
Hey, man. That shit right there. I ain't no jokes.
Let that ass. Yeah, you feel me, nigga?
Hey, shit.
Watch this, nigga. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little pull, man.
Let's do it, nigga.
Let's do it.
Boom. Yo, this shit crazy, nigga. This shit moving, nigga. Yo, this shit is crazy. Yo.
I ain't gonna hold you.
Hey, man.
Yo, I'm
That
fucking
shit.
with it.
Hey, that shit was no joke. It was not lying.
Nigga, at all.
What, bro?
I'm fucking with it, yo. I'm fucking with it, nigga. We
Oh,
outside,
man.
nigga.
Hey, what?
We outside, nigga. I can't wait till I cam my shit next. You know what I'm saying? Get the exhaust on this hoe. Man, what? Watch this, though. Watch this. This shit looks nice.
Let's see, let's see. Woohoo!
This shit is putting down. Oh, my God, nigga. This bitch is putting down, nigga.
Bro, this motherfucker is crazy.
This motherfucker
Hey,
putting down.
That
folks.
motherfucker is crazy.
I wonder what it feels like in that seat, nigga.
Nigga, what, bro?
That
My
seat-
motherfucking head is. Hey, let me.
I got my boy here holding two cameras. Nigga.
Hey, man. Yo, nigga, what, bro?
This shit is nutty, nigga.
This shit is crazy. Oh, man.
I'm in spaceship mode too, nigga, and I really haven't even really stabbed it like I would. Like I beat my homeboy in a race. He has an Evo. This shit's pretty fast. So niggas was neck and neck in the beginning, but
Oh shit.
That's what the pull that nigga. Ain't me, brother. Ain't me, brother. Don't come get me, man.
Don't come
I
get
just
me.
got the tool, gang. I don't need those type of problems.
No problems at all.
Let me take this back. Let me
Hey,
take
this
this back,
motherfucker,
gang.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Like I said, this shit right here is crazy. It may not seem like it, but y'all gotta be in the seat to actually stay up on it.
Man, what?
I'm sure y'all can tell through this. Ain't no way you can't.
Facts.
Motherfucking trees is flying by.
Nigga, cars flying by, trees flying by. I know you can hear the car too, man. Like, what? We outside for it. Look at the shitty booty WRX, bro.
Yeah,
we see these shits everywhere we go, bro.
What?
We're tired of the WRX. If y'all like WRX, spam the comment section with the WRX because we hate them. We either do GM or Mopar over here, man, and that's kind of just how my channel's gonna roll. We're gonna have GM or Mopar, so that kind of get y'all a hint of what's to come next to the channel.
Fuck your ass, don't do it.
Yo! Go ahead and call in my comment section, WRX, man. And make sure y'all hit that likes, comment, subscribe button too, man, while y'all at it. Because the content's only gonna get litter. And that's crazy that we put up on a cat as soon as I put the tune in this on. I wish I would have raced it, but it wasn't really much room to race. So
everybody and their mom's out.
Everybody and their mom is outside. It is a beautiful day. Well, I usually got to take the top off. I low-key want to take my shirt off and be here in a tank top. You feel me?
Oh, nigga, I can't wait to look like prison body again.
What? I need to start working out with this man. I know y'all see me. I'm skin and bone right now. Look at this nigga.
This
nigga huge.
Prison body, nigga. My school picture, anybody who watches, if y'all know, comment down below if y'all know. My school picture, I took a picture in my tank top.
Yo.
No fuck.
Yo, ain't no way, man.
In my tank top, bro.
That's crazy as hell. He took his high school photo in a tank top. Oops, I'm taking off the spaceship mode, y'all. We got the nice little test of the tune. If anybody want to race me outside today in Colorado, I'm handing out all smoke. All smoke. You feel me? But this was a nice little short video, nice little short POV for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can kind of catch up with the vet. I did put the Predator Diablo on that hoe. I put it on that hoe. Yeah. And my dog was the first one to witness it. You know what I'm saying?
That shit is crazy.
POV with my boy SRT Trail. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my boy's channel too. Y'all see him plenty of times on my channel. Y'all gonna actually see him for a while now. So for years and years and years to come. So y'all run it up for me like y'all run it up for him, and vice versa. You feel me? But I want to go ahead and drive. I just want to cruise with the top on. You feel me? My audio is not working. I gotta get that fixed next. The speakers are still blown from the last video, so I still have yet to get the speakers fixed. I'm waiting on my new card to come in the mail. Once I have my new card in the mail, we're gonna go ahead and get the speakers fixed. We're actually gonna get the subs in here as well. So I gotta get the house speakers fixed, make sure those is cool. We'll get the custom subs in the back, and this car is gonna be crazy. This car is gonna be crazy. And then we're gonna take it to North Carolina. Coming soon, coming real soon. We got about 130, 120 days left, and we're gonna take off from there. Once we get to Carolina, it's up. All these videos that I'm recording now, they may be uploaded late, but it's up. You feel me? And I've been saying this for a while now. It's 2023 now. By the time we get to Carolina, it's still gonna be 2023. Beginning of 2024 though, it's up, man. We want what consistency here is gonna be, man. What we're gonna be some totally different human beings once we get them out of here, man. Because Colorado's just a dead environment to try to grow in, and just really not it for real. So, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to move. I'm done just talking y'all ear off. Y'all done see me with the top off. Appreciate you, my boy, for filming me, gang. You know what I'm saying? We in this manual thing. It's kind of hard trying to do both, but I'm making it happen. You feel me? Making it happen. You feel me? What? Got the gang outside with me.
All swerving and shit, all of it at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. We do it all. We're some young, talented individuals, folks. That's all I gotta say, man. Young, talented individuals outside.
Hellcat Durango, though.
The Durango was nutty. That Durango was crazy, dog. I wanted to race that nigga though, dog. I wanted to put the tune to a test.
That's what
I wanted to put the vet to a test, cause it is a vet. At the end of the day, you can't disrespect the LS, nigga. Yeah, I should become a rapper, man. We don't want to hear that talking, man. We want to hear some of that real shit.
We don't like that, man.
Facts. We want to hear that real shit, man. You know what I'm saying? But we outside, man. POV. Nice short video, y'all. You know how to make it 10 minutes. I got to get my money. Y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Again and again and again and again. And the top is low, man. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. But we go.
They say I chose money over friends, so I don't know who carrying my casket in the end. Every time I made $1, it turned into 50 cents. I almost lost it all looking after many men. Chasing after bacon make it hard to see the pigs. And if money is the root of all evil, I'm a sin. Told my bitch I love her, here 1,000 for a wig. And when you get done installing it, let's make another kid.